video, I'm going to go over how you can use the court system to draw on displays from the attorney's iPad. So this is my iPad. I'm displaying it. The jury sees it over there. And this is how you can get the witness to draw on it like John Madden, basically. Boom! Right now. You want on this side. So your witness is sitting here, and I did this in trial a couple days ago, and you've displayed, it's a doctor, and you've displayed the spine, the imaging that you want to show him, and you want him to identify some certain things. The witness will hit this little thing, and then they're able to mark certain things that they want to show the jury. There's highlighting if it were a document. You can change the colors up here, right? And then at any point, you can clear it. The clear function is also over there for the lawyer. Just make sure you want to do that before you display another exhibit. Pretty simple.